Hey friends, this is Rhonda and we're going to jump right on into the video. Now this is what my dining area used to look like, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the update. And now friends, here in the dining room I really didn't change a whole lot. If you notice, I only changed the dining room chairs and the rug that is on the floor, but wow, did it make such a big impact. And it is exactly what I was going for, more of a luxe feel. Here with the dining room chairs, now they are velvet and they are so comfortable to sit in. And one thing that I really love about them is the details of them, from the gold accent ring on the back to the nail heads and certainly to the gold legs, and the tufting. It just kind of speaks for itself. But I'm really enjoying my new dining room, and this rug, it is so pretty. Now the colors in it are ivory, a lighter gray, a darker gray, and this beautiful sort of mustardy kind of gold. And it feels so luxurious on your feet. It feels as if I am stepping on a mixture of silk and velvet. And now I wanted to tie in everything to these dining room curtains. I got my curtains last year and I did not want to change those, so everything else kind of had to fall in line with the curtains. Now as you see here, I have a simple table setting. I wanted to tell you that normally during my everyday life, I don't keep the table set, because we use this table. We actually like to eat together as a family at least one day, 2 days out of the week if we're lucky. So when a video is done, the place settings come up. But one thing that I always like to do is to keep a beautiful centerpiece on the table. I just feel like a centerpiece, it just makes me so happy when I come into the space and I look at it. Now this blessed sign is one of my all-time favorite accent pieces out of my entire collection. I got it last year at Home Goods, and I've used it numerous spaces throughout my home because I love it so much. And here is a picture of what I did with it last fall. It was actually part of my fall centerpiece. I'm actually doing a refresh of my entire home, basically going room by room and making updates. When we decided that we were going to hold off on buying a new home, I decided to refresh, our home now, and, just buy some new furniture and things like that. And speaking of future updates, these lamps that you see here, they are going to be replaced. My new ones are actually due to arrive tomorrow, but I wanted to go ahead and share this updated space with you guys tonight. And certainly when I get them in, I will come back and give you an update to my update. And here to the left is just a little sneak peek of my living room, which is undergoing a lot of change as well. I have a few other little tweaks that I'm going to make, and then I will be sharing those with you. I want to say to our same one since day one. Now these are the people that always support our channel here and leave us comments that are just so motivational and encouraging. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. And now if you are new to our channel and you have indeed enjoyed the content of today's video, Shonda and I would like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and become a friend of the twins. As always, friends, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching.